Hello everyone, this is Ina with Inichka Chef and welcome to my channel. I'm doing video today on a campsite and we are making breakfast. I always make pancakes at least once while we are camping. And of course, I always travel with my sourdough. The sourdough unfed, unripe, I would call discard sourdough, depending on the fridge, but still has little life, has bubbles, and that's going to make delicious and mostly important, healthy pancakes. My daughter already cooking something. Matrona, what you cooking, baby?
That's Tommy, not saying Tommy, that's all.
Oh yeah?
She's cooking soup in teacups.
So we're making tea and soup, right?
That's Tommy, that's
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Please don't share this.
Oh my god. So while I'm drinking my coffee, try to wake up and see how my husband start cook his bacon. It goes slow. It's not the best grill. It's slow. I will start on pancakes, and what I need sourdough, about 1 cup or so. Obviously I'm not measuring anything. You see, it has little spongy texture, so it's still alive. Yeah, about 1 cup, maybe a little more here. I always travel with oatmeal as well. Old-fashioned. It's kind of easy to throw to quick breakfast oatmeal, but also I like to add cinnamon right away. As you see, has cinnamon. It saves me time and special thing to bring. One less thing to bring.
What you got, Tommy?
I got chicken eggs and some quail.
And some quail eggs too. Nice.
We brought some other eggs from chicken and quail. We need about ½ cup of this oatmeal. Already has cinnamon, has flavor, and we need pinch of salt, about ½ teaspoon or so. You see, I'm not very crazy of measuring, and I'm going to mix. If you have yogurt, milk, sour cream, kefir, anything will work. I have kefir, of course, because we always travel with kefir. My kids drink kefir all the time. About ½ cup. So we have sourdough, we have kefir, and the reason why I add kefir, it's not actually necessary, because sourdough and eggs, that would be just perfect. That's how I usually do, and some flour. But today I don't have flour, so I'm having oatmeal, and in order to hydrate oatmeal,
I think we have some hungry boys right here.
I think
Are you guys hungry? Huh?
I think in order to hydrate oatmeal, I would like to add some liquid. In this case is kefir. You can add milk, anything you like. A little bit of sweetness, and we add in honey. And now watch what will happen. We add a little bit of baking soda, and you will see reaction with kefir. You'll see bubbles, kefir and sourdough. It starts activates and become light and puffy and kind of like pancake consistency. Yes. So now it's ready to use, but I'll add one egg today. Actually, you can skip an egg altogether, because oatmeal does work like an egg. We'll glue all together, but we add 1 egg, right? Why not? Since Thomas already brought, we'll add 1 egg. Oh yes, now I can see right consistency. And the longer we'll sit this butter, the thicker we'll get, because oatmeal will swallow the excess liquid and will become more thicker. I think will be even better. So we'll leave for 5 minutes while our bacon cooking. Is bacon looking good?
Finally sizzling.
Finally sizzling, yes. So we're having bacon and pancakes, right?
Oh my gosh.
Bacon is done. We need little bottom. Oatmeal sourdough pancakes.
Like this. Like this. Like that.
Yeah. Yeah. Please.
Oh, she's gonna get them. So good.
What about some maple syrup? Guys, do you want whipped cream? I have whipped cream.
Whipped cream. Camping whipped cream?
Yeah, I brought homemade whipped cream.
Yep.
Dip, dip, dip. Yummy. Matrona.
Mama.
No? You don't want pancake? You like it?
Good, right, buddy?
Mango is good. Bacon is good.